Okay, hello everyone. So let's see what we got today. Opened here in yesterday's range and we're within yesterday's range. So we need to see today if we hold any kind of resistance at these 700s and yesterday's point of control. This will be great area allocation to initiate a short and then scale out at yesterday's value area low 635 or so, then hold this position for a move down to 600 and even yesterday's low and the previous day's value area high. See what does there if it bounces from there, if it continues lower. If we see this holding above initial balance high and towards the upside holding above 700, we'll look for a move to yesterday's initial balance high up to 46s, 746, then eventually a retest of 800s. So price testing initial balance high here, need to see if this can hold. I initiated the short position here, flatten the position here and got long. Need to see now if we going to go towards 800s and yesterday's value area high as explained earlier up to these 750s. Stopped out the low position here, open a short. If we consider this as a failure now, price can go down towards initial balance low, then lower, unless this just can hold here and just going higher. I see resistance here and complete reversal of yesterday's point of control here. If this is about to remain like this, will be great short opportunity down towards 600 then. Flatten the short position here, price holding support at the volume weighted average price and initial balance area. Let's see now if this can continue higher, not the best open. Give it another go and shorted this here. Need to see, give it some time and see if it finds momentum towards the downside. Seeing initial failure here, so let's see if it tags the initial balance low basically. Scale out the position here. Yeah, the ideal scenario of this trade, the asset earlier will be to hold resistance here at yesterday's point of control, then take down yesterday's 600s area and see what it does at 38 here at yesterday's value area low. Of course this goes a little bit choppy here, but now seems directionally, so let's see. Scale out the position further here, the initial balance low, now looking next level, yesterday's value area low at 635s. Assorted here again in case this pullback is just the initial balance play and then we continue to drift lower. Scale out some part of this short position. Now we need to see the 30-minute here and have a bearish towards rejection candle here above 700. So if this is about to be sustained, then we might look for 635s, then eventually 600s. Of course, we need to see, give it 30 minutes and see. Scale out further the position here, waiting to see if this will trend lower, as the range again is like 70 points, so perhaps has a little bit of room to expand. Let's see. So price testing the lows here slowly. Need to see if we flash below and go towards yesterday's value area low, what it does, then eventually 600s. Need to see if we find acceleration now at the turn of the hour and we see a flash lower. Scale out further the position here at new low, key level here to watch. If this doesn't hold, looking for a 600 585s move. Held support here at yesterday's value area low. As of now, need to see if this can go all the way up to value area high or if it fails again at yesterday's point of control around 700 area, something like this perhaps. And then if price can gradually drive lower, although still consolidating sideways here with respect to the levels here at the lows and initial balance low. Okay, so price held resistance again once at initial balance high here and now trading low. Need to see if we go towards yesterday's low and previous day's value area high and 600s area. Very nice trading so far. Okay, so price straight down here. Need to see scalar the position further since the entry early in the morning. Need to see value area high previous day, yesterday's low, if it holds there and bounce or if it goes to balance lower. Here we are a few minutes until the European cash close. You can see very nice support, very nice resistance earlier in the day. This morning at yesterday's point of control and at this low volume area here to the tick, then down at yesterday's value area low and held support at the election day value area high, then bounce straight up. This is where I scale out my position and then price rallied another 100 points, then held resistance here at initial balance high. Now testing the lows, perhaps this can go further downside. If you want to watch the live, my live streaming room for DAX trading during the day, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click on this pin to it. Here I have a description of how much it costs per month and or with the free version. Also you have 2 days free trial and then you will be billed on a monthly basis. So you click on this link here, which will prompt you to small description here, and then you see the first 2 days is free, then is €19 for each month. You go log in and then you are able to subscribe. So I will give you the password and login details.